I can't wait to introduce you to this guy. His name is Adam Turman, and I wrote him recently to see if I could use some of his artwork on this video to explain the kind of artwork that he creates. He's a Minnesota artist and he creates some amazing work. Let's take a look. Adam Turman creates his artwork in lots of different ways. Some of the ways that he creates his art is through street art. Street art means that he uses a wall for his canvas. So he creates it nice, big, and bold so that anyone can see without having to pay for it at all. It's street art, it's public art. Adam also designs screen prints. Screen printing is a really fun process that you use on t-shirts, but fine artists use it on pieces of paper and create beautiful works of art that can be reproduced several times. Turman's work is especially exciting for people from Minnesota. A lot of times in his work, you're going to see Minnesota icons or symbols that represent our great state. This brings me to the inspiration piece that we will be using for Adam Turman's inspired project. As you can see, there is the shape of our state, Minnesota. Within each of the Minnesotas, he represents something for that month. So look at that one, the hot dog. What do you think that represents? If you think the state fair, you're totally right. We have our state bird, state icons, lots of different representation of our state. He has some great stuff, doesn't he? I think so. So now it's our turn. Let's get started by making some art inspired by Adam Turman. Go ahead and click on the video down below to get to the video that shows you how we'll be creating our work inspired by Adam Turman.